Hey guys, today's Natto Master present the specialty of her natto dishes again. Let's take a look at what she has. She has MCT oil on the left, and top is just 3 pieces of the squid, and the bottom is Siso leaves, and on the right top is okra, on the bottom is natto sauce. Here comes her technique of the scrambling, the way she stir the natto on the counterclockwise. And cut it in half, the Siso leaves, and wrap it up. Chop up all the way. How precisely cutting the Siso leaves without chopping your hand. That's amazing. Here comes okra. I won't be able to cut slice thin as possible. And let's see what she's going to do with the slice of okra. I put everything, slice one, into the container. And looks like I have to wrap it up and put it in the microwave. After heating up the okra, to take off the wrap, put them into the nattos. Slice up the squid. Wow, slice it is so small. Are you going to slice something like this? Wow, it became so tiny piece of squid. So I suppose that chopping up and the tiny form will be add the extra taste into the nattos. So same thing about the okra. They slice it up all the way, and looks like it's gonna go on the slice with a squid is going to the microwave again to heat it up. And after this, whoa, okay, so this is mayo. This is like a Japanese mayo. Japanese mayo tastes different from the US mayos. It has much sour taste. The US mayo, it doesn't taste anything, but Japanese one has much like a stronger sour taste. They add extra filling. Coming down to the frozen leeks onto it. And what's gonna do is this is like a secret ingredient, the MCT oil. So adding this MCT oil, maybe add some little oiliness into the natto. They will add it. Okay, here comes the natto sauce. And This is a final moment. This slice is going to be sliced gently in order to make a final piece of the product. But because of this natto container is small, so without spreading out, you need to carefully mix each bits of one of them. Okra, siso leaves, slice of squid, and natto, and the frozen leek. Looks like we're going to the final piece of the dish today. Well, looks like it's done. Ooh, it's yummy.